That's probably a safe bet, really. I'm fairly solid. Yeah, he'll just land on me. Good, Will. Work the hooks.
Hook in, underhooks. Stay on the back. Stay on the back.
Spur them with your hook. Spur them.
Stay on his hips.
Hey, Will. Rodeo choke. Left hand on gi pants. Leg. Sit through. Get your foot in. Sit. Good. Turn the hip. Good. Now extend. Roll over.
Go out the back. Yes.
Good. You're all right, Will. Just hang out there. Or not.
Secret choke.
Choked arm, Will. Remember what I said, Zach? Remember what I said? Good.
Angle.
Good. Now dig him out. Dig him out. Dig him out. Good. Good recovery. Will. Snap down. Hips, bury him. Catcher. Good. Hooks. Work for your hooks. Good. Don't cross. Look for your collar. Good. Now underhook his other arm. Pull across, underhook his arm.
Triangle. Inverse triangle.
Good. Now pull it. Good. Now pressure the back of his head. Pull back. Watch your ankle. Kick your feet. Work that collar under his chin. Good. Push his head forward.
Pull the shin.
Push his head forward. With your right hand, push his head forward. Arm. Switch your hips out.
30 seconds.
No. Work out. Good. Take that leg. Watch your head. There you go. Good. Good. Work to your mount points. Beautiful. Hook in. Switch to back. Good. Go for that collar choke again.